Good morning. Today we're going to walk through creating a social media post on Canva. Canva is a really great app for you and your small business. Perhaps you're part of a community organization or a volunteer board. Historically, people have created a document in Word and perhaps taken a picture of the printed copy or handwritten a note for the bulletin board at the post office. But the truth is, if you can use Canva to create a simple poster or ad or social media post, the design elements just really enhance the look and feel of your organization and your business. So let's go ahead and create a post. So first of all, we're going to hit create a design. And we're going to choose Instagram post. So just so you know, you can use an Instagram size post also on Facebook, but you can't use a Facebook size post on Instagram. So I like to do things once. So that's why I choose to build my design in an Instagram sized template that I can then use for both social media platforms. So I'm going to go ahead and, as you can see here on the left-hand side, there's a few different toolbars, and the one is design. So this is where all the templates live. So I'm going to search for a template. Let's say we're going to offer a webinar. So I'm going to look for a webinar template. So as you can see, you can scroll through and there's piles of templates that you can choose from. And I'm just going to pick one that I kind of like the look of. I like this one. So now you just drag it and you literally drop it right into the template. Now there might be some things in your template that don't really, match your brand, or maybe they don't really fit the look for your organization or purpose. So I'm going to just go ahead and make some modifications to this template for you to see how to do that. So with the pro version of Canva, which I do recommend that you, if you're able to purchase it, you should. The features are so amazing. The stock imagery, the stock videos, and just all the features in the pro version are well worth the $150 per year. So I am working in the pro, just so that in case you're working in the free version, some of the images that I have won't be the same as the images that you have. So let's just go ahead and find a picture of, maybe the webinar that I have is tailored more to men. So I'm going to try to find a picture of a man that maybe looks more like the speaker that I have, or maybe just the audience in general that I'm trying to target. You know what? I don't really like that. So I can click it and delete. Keep looking. I'm going to choose this young guy. So now, you can see that it doesn't quite fit as well as that other one did. So let's just play around for a minute. We can change the position of the image. So if you click on position, we can send that backwards. So now, as you can see, the image has gone back. So let's just see what it looks like again when we hit forward. See how it stands out? But if we bring it to the back, it blends in. But I'm not too sure, because now this square is sticking out from the template. I don't really like the look of that. We're going to try one more thing before we move on to a different image. What if we changed it and got rid of the background? So if you click on the image and you hit edit photo, you have the ability to remove the background. Now I'm just going to move this square. So now you can see we've completely changed the look by removing the background and moving the photo back behind this element, this feature here. Now also, I'm not too sure about the color of this element, and I'm just going to go ahead and change that. So you can see that there's a square up here, and now I can go ahead and choose the color that matches my brand. So Meridian's colors are already built into their brand kit, and we'll go through creating a brand kit on another little video, but for now I'm going to choose this blue. I'm also going to go ahead and change all of these other elements to blue. Now, the really nice thing about having a brand kit already built is that when it's time to put in a logo, you can just click on that, and here we have Meridian's logo already built in and ready to go. Again, you just drag it and drop it in. I'm just going to remove some of this text. I don't need it. I'm going to move my logo down to the bottom. I'm going to change the text. So when you want to change the text, you can just double click, highlight it, and just type in over top. So meridianregion.ca for all your needs related to starting and growing your business located in rural Saskatchewan. I'm also going to change the date because we just really wouldn't have a webinar on December 11th. So let's change that to October the 15th of 2023. And we'll just go ahead and change the time. So now our Instagram post is ready to go. So now there's a few different options when it's time to download. With the Pro version, you have the ability to click on share. You can share it directly to your social media if it's linked. If not, then you can just click download. There's a few options, a JPEG, a PNG, perhaps you're doing a poster or another printed marketing material. You could choose a PDF. And there's also video options, and we'll walk through that another day as well. But for now, we're just going to download a JPEG. So now that it's downloaded, you can upload it to your MetaSuites business planner and schedule this post on Instagram and Facebook at the same time. So we will walk through Meta Business Suites another day, but for now, thank you for joining how to create a social media Instagram and Facebook post.